this lesson, we are going to add the video carousel. So let's click on this. Now, when you do this, you have the several carousel you can, kind of go through here. So let's change this first one. I'm going to change the title to Quix Promo. And we're going to change the video. So you see right now it says Quix Promo. So let's change the video. You can grab any embedded code from any website. I'm going to put this right here. I got one from YouTube. Now, once I did that, you notice that you're getting this error and something is just not right. So what you have to do is, if you have this problem, just delete the iframe and the quotes right here. So I'm going to delete this and then go all the way to the start and then just delete everything here. And once you do that, it's going to fix that. So if you get that, if you have that problem, don't worry about it. Nothing is wrong with the site. You just have to make sure that you delete that. And you can do the same thing too to replace the rest of these. So let's go back here. You can add some more. You go to columns. You can have 3 columns up to 6, or you can have just 2 columns. I think, let's see, 4. 3 columns look better. So you go to the navigation. Do you want to show the dots, which is right here? If you say no, it would disable it. You want to show the nav bar, which is right at the bottom here, and show the dots. You can do that as well. So you can have that vertical, but it just wouldn't look right. And go to the behavior. You can choose autoplay. You can choose the play icon. I'm going to disable that. And you can choose slide as a set. So everything is going to slide together. You can choose the infinite loop. And you go to the styles as always to change whatever you want to change here for each section, like the video. You want to change the height. You can change that. You want to change the width. You can do that as well. So you can add your video. This is a great way for you to present your video content directly on your website. So you can change that back here. Go to the content. So yeah, have fun.